Hi there, it's Joanna, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add products in Stripe for the Billie Jean Legacy Bundle for that sales funnel that I'm building in ClickFunnels. So let's get started. So now I'm in my um, Stripe account, and this is my dashboard. This is the navigation bar, and when adding products, we should click on products. And here we are in live. It's indicated by this white here. So first we click on add product. And here the product information that I have prepared is Legacy Bundle 111. My payment description, no, it's just description. It's not payment. Product descriptions appear at checkout, on invoices, and in the customer portal. It's optional, but I'm um, putting two payments. You can also upload image here, but we're not going to do that. So let's scroll down. About to click on this. Statement descriptor, no, I'm not going to put any there. Unit label, no. For pricing, you can actually choose here package graduated volume pricing, but we're going to go with standard pricing. And the amount for this testing purpose is 0.50 recurring, yeah, in USD. Billing period is monthly. Usage is metered. Ignore. And it says here optional, but this is critical for on the end of ClickFunnels. So I'm gonna assign an ID here. Let's try CF for ClickFunnels 111. And let's see if it's going to accept it, if it's not going to have any issue. Advanced options. I'd like to put price description here. To be organized, plan to payments, and then that's it. Because it says here, this will identify the ID, this will identify the price in the API if you don't add an ID. What happened, guys, in my previous test is that I got an error. Not that. This kind of message, no such plan price. And it's referring to this 1HR ending in G9Z. A similar object exists in live mode, but a test mode key was used to make this request. How did that happen? Well, it seemed that here in Legacy Bundle downsell test, I did not assign ID. This one. I did not put anything here. So what happened was it auto assigned even in test mode. I did not assign. So what happened was in live Stripe assigned this API ID. Remember, it's 1HR and it's ending G9Z, which is not the same as in test mode. So I think what Stripe is saying is if you assign an ID in live and test, it will generate the same API ID and yeah, for live and test. So that's why I put here the comment is should be the same. So you should manually assign this. That's what I'm going to do here in legacy bundle downsell 111. Because guys, API ID is uh it's auto generated. There is no field in Stripe where you can enter it. So you just need to enter something here in ID and it will generate the API. So yeah, let's save product. Click here. So you have now the details. Legacy bundle downsell 111. Description is two payments. ID, I think this is not the ID. So here in API, there's now CF111. Or if we did not input in live mode CF111, if we're going to test mode, we should copy this to the clipboard, and then this is what the generated API and copied to clipboard should be placed in live. So yeah, let's go. I mean test. So let's go to test. You're in test data if you see this test data in orange. So let's go view all products, because here we can add the product. Click on add product, and again we should input legacy bundle downsell 111. Description is two payments. Yeah, two payments. And then we leave this blank. Statement descriptor, what does it say? Adding a statement descriptor will override your account descriptor, funnels, and automation. If you add a statement descriptor, choose something your customers will recognize and a bank statement. So it's not important, even the unit label. Let's go to pricing. Like we did in live mode, I'm going to choose standard. And again, 0.50 as the minimum requirement of Stripe for testing. You can actually choose any currency here. You're going to go with USD, recurring, and yeah, there are other options here: daily, weekly, every 3 months, every 6 months, yearly, custom. So monthly, we're going to go with monthly, and should be CF111. Advanced options. We're going to put I think we placed two payments instead of this. Plan two payments, yeah. Plan two payments. So let's save product. So now the details are, it's the same, CF111 API ID. This is a different ID, guys. Prod 12. Let's copy it and compare. So ID. So now this one became the API ID. And the ID that is in the details that see here is prod. While in live, They're not the same, but I think it doesn't matter. Control X, and now this API ID became CF111. All right. So let's see if this product name is already in ClickFunnels. So we're in downsell, and we're going to edit. Okay, let me just show you this part, and then we're in downsell. You click on products. So we're going to edit this one. Edit. Still subscription. Oh, no, we should go back. Products. Let's edit and go to product details. So it doesn't matter. The name here is Legacy Bundle Downsell, but uh, we need to edit the Stripe plan. Now, notice here, guys, that since we chose subscription for the downsell, there is a note here that the amount for this product is managed in your Stripe account. The currency for this product is managed in your Stripe account. So, um, Stripe is going to take over this part. That's why we created the product or added the product in Stripe. So let's scroll down and look for the Stripe plan. So here's the Stripe plan. It says your exact plan ID must exist in live and test mode for order form testing to work. So now, oh, it's here already. Legacy bundle 111 plan 2 payments. So we should choose that and then save and next or save and close because we're not going to do anything here anyway. So yeah, we can save and close. Okay. So in uh, testing the purchase, I shouldn't be able to get this anymore, this error or this notification. So in Stripe, unfortunately, once you have added a product, you can no longer um, edit the details. Like for example, in test, if you click on edit, we can still update the name, description, and pricing. Description, pricing, but we can no longer edit the ID. Even the price description, we can edit it, except for the pricing. I mean, for the ID. Then we can save product. So what you do is you can delete. No, let's try. If you can delete this product, let's try. It says here this product can't be deleted because at least one of its prices has been used in a transaction. If you're no longer using this product, you can always archive it. So it's been used, but if it's just newly created and it's not been used, the price inside the product, yeah, you can still delete it. So again, plan two payments in test, plan two payments CF111, so same. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video where I will test purchase.